Upwork job invites are officially off, totally scrapped out, and it is merely a matter of time before it disappears as a thing on Upwork. You may ask yourself, why did I say so? Well, let me ask you this question. How many invites have you received since October 1st? Oh, now you can see reasons with me, right? So why is this so? I too have experienced a huge decline in job invites, even with a great profile and reviews, and I was wondering where the problem was. So I went on a deep search and discovered exactly what the problem is, and I will be revealing it in today's video. So if you want to find out what the problem is and its solution, then stick around to the end of this video. Martin's here, and if you're an Upwork freelancer like me, then I am sure you're already growing frustrated with the platform. The decision makers of the platform has constantly and consistently been making decisions that have been driving the platform to the ground, and I own up to my words. They have introduced so many features that are totally anti-freelancers, forgetting that the talents on the platform are just as important as the clients there. First, they started with the increase in connects to apply for jobs from a maximum of 8 to a whopping 18. Absolutely crazy if you ask me. They went further to increase the cost of buying Connect itself, and as if that was not enough, they introduced a proposal boosting feature which lets freelancers bid on positions they are placed on during sending proposals with their Connect. They also introduced the availability badge which lets freelancers pay to have an available badge on their profile. To me, it is hopelessly useless. Their latest experiment is the profile boosting feature, which sadly is the killer of Upwork job invites. On the 1st of October, Upwork officially rolled out the profile boosting feature to all freelancers on the platform. And as one freelancer puts it, this feature adds insult to the injury. This feature allows freelancers to basically promote their profiles on the platform, something like Google ads or Facebook ads or something. Yes, that is sadly what Upwork is turning into. They claim the feature is helpful to freelancers who are looking to get work right away and are willing to spend Connect for increased client visibility. They mention some of its benefits as get noticed faster. If you win the bid, you will receive priority positioning at the top of a client's list of suggested freelancers to invite to the job. Easy to use, low risk. Set your budget, bid, and job category. If you win the bid, you will show your profile to clients. Save time, reach more clients. Don't limit yourself to just sending out proposals. Your profile will be shown to clients right after the job is posted. Now, the first point is exactly why your job invites have vanished, because you are not bidding, or in this case, not paying enough to get priority positioning at the top of a client's list of suggested freelancers to invite for their new job. Due to the exponential increase in the cost and the number of connects to apply for jobs, many freelancers naturally moved to depending on job invitations to keep earning on the platform, as even the monthly free 10 connect is not enough to land a job on the platform. But it seems like Upwork is not stopping until they totally run the platform to the ground and milk every single penny from freelancers till they have nothing left to show for their efforts. Even with a strong profile and a track record, there could be various reasons for the decrease in invites, some of which are market shifts. Industries experience busy and slow periods. It might be just temporary in the demand for your specific skill. Also, seasonal changes may affect job invitations. Some seasons are busier than others for certain types of work, while competition is another factor. More freelancers might have joined your field, leading to increased competition for invites. Client preferences is another one. It can also play a crucial part as their needs and preferences can change over time. But in the case of today's video, the last point, which is platform updates, is the major culprit for the decline. If freelancers basically pay to get seen or discovered on the platform, then it becomes more difficult for top freelancers who have been working on the platform for a long time and with a great track record and reputation to get invited for jobs if they fail to boost and outbid their competitors. Because right now, it is not about how complete your profile is or how much reputation and earnings you have built on the platform, or even how well your profile is optimized with keywords. All of that doesn't matter anymore, as long as you cannot outbid other freelancers in your niche. So what is the point of working so hard to get a top rated plus badge if they are just going to send you to the bottom just to give other freelancers a chance? That's the question. Given their recent upgrades and changes, I have come to the conclusion that they are acting against freelancers, successfully undermining their own platform. In the real world, no one is ever asked to pay for a job interview, but somehow on Upwork, it is considered a standard. Aside from taking 10% of our earnings, which I totally do not have a problem with, they've migrated to a pay-to-play model. You have to pay to get a chance to work. That is what Upwork has turned to. Now I understand that Upwork as a company has never been profitable until the last quarter or so, but that is only because freelancers are bearing the majority of that cost and clients are basically paying next to nothing. Upwork needs to somehow shade the load to clients and let freelancers breathe a little with their never-ending upgrades. Because if this is what Upwork sees as a business model, then fellas, it's time to start having a plan B. Because unless something changes, it is truly going to be hopeless. It's all about money, money, money. Talent is not important on Upwork right now. The Upwork profile boost is killing the sole purpose of Upwork and freelancing, which is based on talent. You have to have an algorithm of best talent profiles on Upwork, based on their work reviews and GSS score on Upwork, not based on connect that can be bought using money. Personally, I feel these are the issues Upwork needs to look into so as to help the millions of freelancers who depend on their platform for their daily bread and survival, and to help them to continue to thrive and build careers as a freelancer. Have you noticed a decline in your invites? How has the many Upwork updates affected you recently? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.